Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. Hope everybody's having a great Memorial Day weekend. And if you like this tip, don't forget to like and subscribe. We got lots more tips out here, but today we're working on hood hinges on this 69 Chevelle. Yeah, so we decided to put this car together, at least so it's a little bit more of a roller and we can see what we have, make sure we have all the parts and whatnot. But we did find the hood hinges and the springs. The springs were off of the hood hinges. So, in order to get this thing back together, I'm going to put the springs back on. And I tell you, it's pretty hard to stretch these springs in place. But I've got a tip to show you how to do this. Here we go. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this screwdriver and we're going to put it underneath a floor jack, okay? And that'll just brace it that way. And then we're going to stretch the spring out using the floor jack. So I'm going to attach it here. I'm going to attach it here. And then we're just going to stretch this spring out, okay? Now be careful. I know we got, potential energy here. See, here's a little bit of it. And it is a little tough to do, but you can see I'm holding on to it. All right, so we've got the spring stretched out here. And like I say, be careful. And then we're going to put these little pads of wood in between. And basically, that's going to hold the spring in a stretched condition. So we'll go ahead and put these things all in here. You might be asking yourself, where'd you get all these little pieces of wood, Mark? Well, they came out of a cigar box, believe it or not. But we're gonna put these all in here. And of course the dogs are barking while I'm trying to videotape this. But we'll fast forward this. Well, things didn't go as expected on filming this afternoon. But that's okay, we got the springs on and the method absolutely works. You can see I've actually got the whole hood on now. And we got the springs on both sides. So basically when you put those pieces of wood in between the spring, it stretched it out easy enough to make those springs go on. And then I pushed the hood hinge down, which stretches the spring even a little bit further. And then of course the wood just falls to the ground. So then some of the pieces didn't fall out, so you just picked them out. And yeah, you're all set to go. Good way to, put these springs on. And you don't have to be a man about it. You can use your floor jack. All right, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, what's left of it. See ya!